Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is so well. Today I have on Toyota Landcruiser. This car have a problem, AC air proper not coming in phase. Okay, when I start car, okay, and if I turn on AC, see, cool air not come here. Cool air, it sometime came downside, sometime came here, upper side. See, now it's air came here. I will show you. See, air came in upper side, so that's the problem. But here is not air, that's the problem. See, AC already turned on, so this is the problem. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, this problem is from servo motor. Okay, I will show you. Check computer and okay, see, first check with diagnosis tool where is the problem actually, why this air not coming in phase. Okay, automatic selection, check in AC. Okay, travel code, here you can see fault in air mix, damper control, servo motor, passenger inlet, servo motor, all are servo motor fault. So where is the servo motor location? This is servo motor came inside this dashboard. Okay, so if your Landcruiser have to replace all those servo motor, you have to buy from company and then remove dashboard, then replace. Okay, or another way, if you can bypass only phase cool air and close all those system. Okay, so if here is the servo motor for phase cool air AC servo motor. Okay, this is the problem. That's why your Landcruiser cool air not come from phase, it came upper or sometimes down. That's the problem. This is the motor. Okay, here you can see I remove full dashboard and then bypass, because customer did not replace this one, so I remove motor and fix in front air shutter. Okay, and then lock it. Okay, and then it will work properly. Okay, so if your car have same problem, if you need to replace servo motor, you can. In my case, my customer no need to replace this servo motor, he told me bypass this system. That's why I made it, and I'll share full video for you. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, subscribe my channel.